What's up, pussy asshole? So yeah, I just got off of work, right? And when I tell you I've been sleeping on a mattress that's been on the floor for how long have I been sleeping on a mattress that's been on the floor? 2 motherfucking long, probably for like it's probably going on a month now. But I haven't really been tripping. I've been working. When I say I've been working nonstop, and I've been doing a whole bunch of other shit other than working. Hold on. I've been doing a whole bunch of other shit other than working too. So I really haven't had time to put this fucking bed up. And I was waiting on my brother to come help me, but I don't have time to be waiting on his ass no more. I said, fuck, let me just do it my motherfucking self. I ain't finna keep waiting around. Cause I can, but I be choosing not to. It just be taking so much energy out of my body for me to just be. You see, like how I really don't got energy right now, but I feel like to try to get this shit done, or at least start on the motherfucking project. I haven't even been looking at this shit. I just walking right past it like, fuck that. I don't feel like doing it. I ain't doing it. Fuck that. I'm tired of sleeping on the motherfucking floor, bitch. Cause I need this motherfucking this little adjustable base. Huh? You hear me?
Oh, what's part of which? So I'm gonna guess. Can you see me? No. Oh my goodness. Gotta get this camera angle right. Oh, hold on, adjustable base. I got this adjustable base for free. Can you believe it? It came with the bed. Shout out to Mattress, it came with the bed, pussy. Let's see what push these in the lead are. Open that up. Scissors! I really do not like building. Building is like, I don't know. The horrible is horrible to me, but I fucking hate building. These are just legs, I guess, for the thing. I don't know what the fuck this goes to. This bag is not a tool. What does this go to? Here are the instructions. 3-piece leg, power adapter, remote manuals, and side retainer. I guess that was side retainer. That was what the fuck is that? Like, this is gonna be a whole fucking project. But this ain't the instructions on how to fucking put the bed together. This is how to plug the fucking thing in. So that might be the instructions right here. Oh, these are the legs, 5-piece legs. Where the fuck is the 5 pieces be? On the end? I don't know where the fuck I put the instructions at. Nope, I didn't put them. I don't know where the box is. I don't know. Fucking leg, bitch. I'm in here fucking sweating. Let me turn this around here. Turn this motherfucker air on. Cause that's where the air in here. That's where the air in here is working. If I'm not mistaken. That's where that air in here is blowing out, or the vent is blowing out heat. Got to be. Okay, now that's air right there. You can feel that immediately. So that in there gonna be blowing out heat. So I'm definitely thinking I'm about to move my bed in here. There's a few reasons why I honestly like sleeping in here because I work during the night, so when I come home during the day it'd be light outside. And I really don't like sleeping where the windows are. I'm gonna just guess these are for the cause those legs are too short. Those legs over there are like I guess for these parts right here. Make sure it's just tight and right. So real, so good, so I can't find about here, deep down inside. I'm just trying to figure out what the fuck. So this is the AC/DC adapter. Where the fuck this is? I'll get back to that later. I guess that's for the adjustable shit. I really don't need nothing adjustable. Okay, so this is okay, this is what this for. Okay. So I guess I'll plug that into there so it can adjust. But I really don't need nothing to adjust. You know what I mean? At the moment, I don't have time for that. I'm just ready to put this shit aside. Fuck the bed. Really? Yeah, I need the instructions. I don't know why I'm playing like that. That's fucking one. Need the instructions. Stop playing with it. Alright, so I got the instructions. Now I'm recording the shipping court in place. On a clean surface, remove both legs, leg boxes, and protective plastic. Already done. Remove cotter band. Remove cotter band. Where the fuck is cotter band? And the banister pin from hinge, one on each side. And fold. Okay. So. How the fuck do I remove this?
I begin to I begin to
Shit! I know that. Clap it up for the motherfucking winners in this motherfucker. You see it? Clap it up for the motherfucking winners. Pull up in the Sprinter with a whole bunch of bitches looking for the niggas who winning, with the niggas who winning, pussy. You see it? We doing hydraulics on these bitches in this motherfucking room. Pussy, LED lights up, bitch, I'm eating you hoes down. Eating you hoes down. You see it? Eating you hoes down. I ain't finna keep playing with you bitches. You see what the fuck I got going on? I'm the baddest motherfucker of all time, bitch. A jack of all motherfucking trades. Just put my own bed, pussy ass hoe. No help. You seen it. You see it. Bitch, boots on the motherfucking ground, bitch. Bald head, bitch. The bald head, bitch. Well, bald head, bitch, by his motherfucking self. Excuse me, I'm not even bald head, bitch. 30 inches down my motherfucking back by my motherfucking self. Bitch, I ain't even put that shit in a ponytail. I ain't even do that. Motherfucker, I ain't even. After the 16 now shit, but you ain't fucking with me. That's it for you hoes. Y'all motherfuckers better appreciate greatness when you see it. I'm the baddest motherfucker.